traveling with the whole family is sometimes a little difficult. So that's why us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you 10 family vacation DIY life hacks. Let's get into it. Number 1, a place to sleep. Traveling with little kids is sometimes difficult, but all you have to do is pack a carry-on with a U-shaped pillow, in our case it's a rainbow, and their favorite toy to cuddle with. You'll be able to put it directly into the suitcase so that they can have a place to lay down when you're waiting. Number 2, stopping mosquitoes. Are you going on a family vacation somewhere with nature? To stop the mosquitoes, get some wristbands and drop a few drops of essential oil onto them and you will have no problems with the mosquitoes anymore. Number 3, kids pool at the beach. All you have to do is bring a small plastic tarp and place it over a hole in the beach. Now, pour some water from the lake into it and their favorite toys, and they'll be able to play next to you in the water. Number 4, organizing on a camping trip. We all know how difficult it is to stay organized when you're camping with your family. All you have to do is bring a hanging organizer into your tent so that you'll have special compartments for each kid or all of your different things. Your tent will no longer be disorganized with this hack. Number 5, avoiding this hazard while you're camping. We all know how when you put up a tent, the strings are often set off to the sides so that you can trip over them often. If you have small children and you want to avoid this, all you have to do is bring a section of a pool noodle and cut it open on one side so that you can place it over the strings and avoid this catastrophe from happening. Number 6, no more yogurty messes. We know how difficult it is to get your kids to stay clean in the car when they're eating. All you have to do, instead of opening it from the lid, use a straw and place it right into the top of it so that nothing will get all over your car. Number 7, toys for the kids. Do you have trouble stopping every so often because your child wants another toy from the back of the car? All you have to do is bring a hanging organizer that you can place right on the back of the front seat, and they'll be able to pick any toy they want throughout the trip. Number 8, keeping your child safe and in view. If you have trouble when you're at the beach with your family, losing your kids, or always thinking you will, all you have to do is get a bell and hook it right onto their shoe so that they won't be able to run away from you without finding them. Number 9, DIY lantern. If you guys are camping with your family and want to read at night or just do something in the tent, but your headlamp just does not fit right, all you have to do is get a water jug and place it over the water jug with the light facing inward. It'll be an amazing DIY lantern instead of trying to have it on your head the whole time. Number 10, keeping your children safe. We all worry on family vacations that your children are going to go missing or run away. Get an elastic band and place some beads with your phone number on it. That way, if they ever get lost, they'll have their mom or dad's number to keep safe. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!